Hello, class. Last Friday we read Little Red Riding Hood and we developed the theme, the main characters, and the setting of that short story. Today we'll be learning how to develop and demonstrate reading skills in response to reading text and the read alouds that I read to you in class. In our lesson this week, we'll be learning how to demonstrate and develop the reading skill of foreshadowing. So last week we read the short story Little Red Riding Hood, and then we developed those things that I talked about previously. Today we learn how to foreshadow in the story using their context clues. So what is foreshadowing? Foreshadowing is whenever you use context clues in the story to find out what comes next. The context clue recap is the context clues are hints to specific content, which means that they're the clear parts in the story that hint to something else. Mostly that is what happens next in the story. So let's see how we can use foreshadowing in Little Red Riding Hood in our next lessons. So, in the word foreshadowing, we can use our vocab clues. For means ahead or before, and shadow means to hint or to suggest. Foreshadowing creates suspense for the reader on what is to happen next. Oops. So, tomorrow we will be learning a fun and easy way to pick out context clues in order to foreshadow what will come next in our story. And we will learn how to use that foreshadowing to ask and respond to relevant questions about the story later on in our lesson. I can't wait to see you guys in class and talk to you about what foreshadowing is.